Hi guys, welcome back to PHP web development. The second step after installing PHP on your machine is installing the right code editor, and we'll be mentioning or focusing on looking at four of them. The first one depicts the state of each values used in your code, and it's actually cool to use. The second one we'll be looking at is Atom. Atom is also a good code editor, which is actually created from the open source environment, just like a look and feel, just like Sublime Text. It's actually free. It has no paid version. It's open source, and it's actually good to use. You can use it with Linux. You can use the Debian download, and also the RPM to extract the source code from. It's actually cool and useful. The third one is Brackets. Bracket IO, is actually a plain, just a lightweight code editor, which has a handshake with Chrome. You can actually render through the app or through the code editor to Chrome. Just to display and test the working state of your app. So you don't need to commit. You don't need to save all over again. You just see it right there in Chrome browser. You see the features, the change features in your code. It's actually cool that it's been developed and maintained by Google, and it's open source. It's free. It's cool. You can also lay hands on Brackets. And the fourth one is the IDE, the Independent Development Environment for PHP. This is much more advanced, and it's actually not free. It has a lot of features, a lot of autocomplete, because it's designed for PHP. This actually takes all full features of PHP. It's focused on PHP, and it's cool. Just the downside of it is that it's sometimes slow, because it has a lot of features going on the background. It sometimes renders slow, and it's not free as well. You can lay hands on it. I actually use Brackets, Sublime, and sometimes I use PHP Storm as well. So pick the right code editor for you, which will help your development experience in PHP. So select, but I will deploy you if you're starting up fresh. Try Atom and Brackets. These are free and they are stable. You can actually have a rest of mind that you have a code editor that is going to work and it's perfect for you. You can also check out Sublime Text if you're on Mac users. It's quite cool. It's good to use. I'll be using Sublime Text in some of my videos, and at the same time, I might be using Brackets in some other parts of my video. So thank you very much for hanging out with me. Choose the right code editor for your application today. Don't go anywhere. Subscribe to my channel. Have a blessed time. Bye-bye.